Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Erica. Thank you so much for being here. Whether you're returning or new, I really appreciate you. And today's video is going to be a get ready with me with my most luxury makeup. So I'm literally going to just dive right in because I don't know how much this battery is charged and I just want to get this done. So let's do it. Grab whatever you need. I have my Starbucks cup here. I made it mostly for you, but mostly for me at the same time. I made a blueberry almond milk matcha. There's lots of stuff in here, okay? If you want the full recipe, let me know. But let's get into this tutorial. So the first product I'm going to use is this Becca primer. I literally have a few drops left. I put it in my empties video if you guys want to see that. And oh yeah, this is my new sweatshirt. I wanted to wear it for you guys today. What do you think? I love it so much. My boyfriend got it for me. I love it so much. Okay, this is way better. Oh my goodness. I could not figure that out for a second. Holy crap. So I'm going in with my Rare Beauty Enchant highlight. I have to always put this on underneath, no matter what. I always do it because I always forget to. So I try my best to remember because it's like almost my favorite part. I don't know what part of my makeup is my favorite. I like highlight, blush, mascara. I think those are my favorites. Next up, I'm going to go in with my Dior Air Flash foundation. I'm going to roll up my sleeves so I don't get any makeup on this. I just put some on the back of my hand and now I'm going to put it on my face. Oh, I forgot to put, I was going to say I forgot to put primer, but I did. Okay, I think I could use just a tiny bit more. Yeah, go on the carpet. Don't go in my pants, girl. This is a little messy. Basically, this video is going to be the most expensive makeup that I have because I do have a lot of drugstore stuff, but basically I'm mostly going to be using my more expensive stuff. So this is my Jouer concealer. I'm first going to just cover up the spots I want, but not do my under eyes because I don't think I want to use this one on my under eyes. It is really full coverage though, so that will be good for my pimples, I think. And just general brightening, like for right here on my forehead. Okay, I think I'm going to use a little setting spray because I'm getting a little dry. I also have my water here with me, so, you know, in all my videos when I say grab your tea, grab your Red Bull, girl, also grab a water because you gotta stay hydrated. Right here, today's candle of the day is Sunset Apricot, made of real apes. Comment down below what Office episode that's from. And then also tag the Office ladies in this video. Oh my god, I have something new to show you. Where is it? This is the Rare Beauty setting spray. How cute is that? Oh yes. Oh, this is way better than my fan right now. It gives me the wind. It's small, so it's easier to hold. Oh my god. I'm not very good at multitasking. Oh yeah. I am very good at multitasking. I shouldn't say that. I'm not good at like doing two things at the same time. God, I'm terrible at explaining things though, I'll tell you that. Some things I can multitask, some things I can't. Like the simple things I can't multitask, but the more complicated things I can do that. I can like juggle doing like 2 homework assignments at once, but that's not good. Just do one at a time. Next, let's do under eye concealer. I think there's going to be a few little breaks on this video just to let you know, like when I do my lashes and, you know, maybe my lip or something like that, just to save some of my battery. I love this concealer. I don't know if I'm honestly going to buy my Jouer one again. This is my Rare Beauty one in 170C, and in my Jouer, let me just say all the shades I used. In my Jouer, I used Creme Cafe. I think the shade that I used before that one was better. Might have matched me better. Maybe I just don't go out in the sun as often. And then the Dior foundation is in 203. Okay, we're looking beautiful. I haven't used this in a while. This is my Fenty Beauty. I thought it might go pretty good with the flowers. I think I'm gonna mix it with my Rare Beauty concealer, which I've never done, so I'm excited for you guys to see what happens, because these two are like my all-time favorite blushes. This is the Fenty Chili Mango and the Selena Gomez Rare Beauty Joy. I couldn't live without either of them. Like, I should make a video called Makeup I Can't Live Without. That would be kind of fun. What do you guys think? Because certain makeup things just bring me so much joy. I put a lot on my hand. Wow, I always do that every time. I never learn. I'm also gonna put on this bougie, now that I'm doing this video, I'm putting on this bougie chapstick. You can just use Aquaphor, honestly, but for the sake of this video, I really do love this. I love their products, fresh. Especially their lip stuff, I think is the best of their products. I can't speak for all of it, but I love this, and I love the tinted SPF ones. So yeah, love that for me. I love my matcha recipe, my homemade matcha. I wish like I could make you a matcha. I made one for my brother the other day. He liked it. And I used coconut whipped cream. So I'm pretty sure the whole thing is, wait, let me think this through. Is the whole thing vegan? I think the whole thing is vegan, honestly. Because I used almond milk and not regular whipped cream. Which is the best? Ever since I tried coconut whipped cream, I can't go back to regular. Who would do that? If you haven't tried it, I think you should. You're missing out. Okay, oh my god, I have a hair. Sometimes, girl, oh my god, it drives me insane in the membrane. I have like a little dot or something on me. Whatever, you probably can't see it. Okay, now I'm just gonna add a touch of this because I do like the finish of this one too. Yes. I was editing my video today, the one that you guys saw before this. It's called Let's Chat and Do Makeup Part 2 because there was a Part 1. So if you haven't seen Part 1, go watch Part 1 before you watch Part 2. So I'm literally just going to use a small amount of this Laura Mercier powder. I haven't used this in a while. I'm dusting off like the majority of it. And I just wanted to use just a little bit around here because I'm gonna be doing some bronzing, which I've been like, haven't been doing as much lately. But I'm pretty sure we're gonna go all in today. So this is my Hoola Benefit bronzer that I'm gonna be using. This is the mini travel size one. I'm gonna go in very light-handed because I think I went in a lot. I did. I'm going super light-handed, like I'm barely doing anything. I always get my chin. I haven't said this tip in a while. I learned it from, where the F did I learn it? I think I learned this from JLo's makeup artist, that when you're doing your chin contour, don't go like this and do it. Just do it normally, how you would look, because this is the angle everyone's gonna see you from. No one's gonna be seeing you unless they're like way shorter than you and they're just like, no one's gonna be looking at your neck that hard, girl. Don't sweat it. Okay. Next, I'm gonna use this Fenty highlight in the shade, how many carats? I think there was maybe some highlight from before on this brush. So I'm gonna use my finger actually. Yeah, because this one is way more glittery, I remember. It kind of looks more wet. Oh, hell yeah, I love that. Pack it on, honey. If I was stranded on a deserted island, I think makeup would really occupy me. I'd be like doing my cut crease. I would be internally freaking out, but I'd be doing my cut crease. I'm gonna do my brows off camera if you guys don't mind, because brows are kind of boring, right? I'm gonna do my brows, my freckles, and my eyeshadow off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, I don't know why when I'm looking at my camera it looks a little crooked, but we're just gonna roll with it and I'll fix it later in my next video. But as you can see, girl, the rainbows are coming in. I mean, let me move it so you can see actually. This is like my favorite part of my room currently, as you can see. Okay, so for my lips, so for this little star, I went in with my Milk Makeup Stamp. For my liner, I used the KVD one, and then I used this NARS white eyeliner. In my waterline, I used Freckles, and I used this little brown liner. I used this Dior one for my bottom lashes, and then for my brows, I used this brow styler from Benefit. And my lashes are from Lena Lashes in the style Akua. And now we're gonna do the lip and close out this video. So for my lip, I'm gonna do my Buxom one, just the lip liner. And then I'm gonna fill it in with my Anastasia lip in the shade Bittersweet. I thought that was, I thought Bittersweet was describing the lipstick for some reason. It's okay if it's not perfect. I'm pretty sure I'm just keeping this lip on to take some photos, and then I'm gonna call it a day. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you being here. Please go follow my TikTok if you're interested in seeing some looks. I kind of want to like, I also have an Instagram if you want to follow that. I kind of want to like do some sneak peeks on my other social medias, so maybe if you follow me on my TikTok you can see some content that's released early, if you know what I mean. So go follow my other socials that I have. I will put them here, and then also at the end of this video they will be there. And please like this video if you did, because then I will make another one. And of course, if you want to see my next video, then make sure you're subscribed and ring that bell. How rude, my camera cut me off again, girl. I was just about to put on lip gloss. This is the Lunar Beauty Celine. This and the Dior mascara are by far my favorite things in this whole video.